So today we are beginning with another basic signal operation, that is time shifting. So what is time shifting? Time shifting means shifting of the discrete time signal by k units either to the right hand side or left hand side of the origin. If we are given with an original discrete time signal x of n, then the shifted version of x of n will be x of n plus minus k. Here k is the unit of shifting, which determines how much we will shift the signal, and plus or minus determines the direction in which the shift will occur. That is, the shifted signal will be either a right shifted signal or a left shifted signal. So the statement x of n plus minus k means we are shifting the original discrete time signal x of n either to the right hand side or left hand side of the origin by k units. So we need to know when we need to perform the right shifting and when we need to perform the left shifting of the discrete time signal. For right shifting of the discrete time signal, k should be positive, and for left shifting of the discrete time signal, k should be negative. Now consider an initial discrete time sequence x of n given to us. Now if we are asked to shift the signal by k units, then it may be a right shifting signal or a left shifted signal. If we have to draw x of n minus k, then we have to perform right shifting. As you can see here written, we have to perform right shifting as k is positive. If we have to draw x of n plus k, that is x of n minus of minus k, we have to perform left shifting as k is negative. Here we are given with an initial discrete time sequence x of n equals to 3, minus 6, 2, minus 1, 7, and we know the origin position, and we are asked to draw the signal x of n minus 2. We know the origin position of xn. So to draw x of n minus 2, we first need to draw the discrete time signal x of n, and here is the diagram of the discrete time signal x of n. So x of n minus 2, comparing with the form x of n minus k, here k is 2 and 2 is a positive number. So x of n minus 2 will be a right shifted signal of x of n by 2 units. So let's see how x of n minus 2 signal looks like. So turning over, we see x of n minus 2 will be a right shifted signal of x of n by 2 units. As k is 2 and 2 is a positive number, we will shift the original x of n signal by 2 units to the right hand side to get x of n minus 2. And here is the diagram of x of n minus 2.